Hi guys, I'm back again with yet another short little video, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of an item that I recently got in my possession, and it is a Louis Vuitton coin purse. We're gonna do an unboxing and a bit of a comparison because I do have two. I have the standard one, the classical one, which is this one, and the one we're gonna unbox today is the 2018-2019 Christmas collection one. So mine, as you can see, is already very nicely patinaed on the side where you have the vachetta leather, and the other one is a bit different, in which you're gonna see in a second when we unbox this one from this beautiful Christmas packaging. I was late to the show this year for the Christmas items, so I had to get this second hand with a bit of a higher price tag, but I liked it so much that I picked it nevertheless. So without further ado, let's look at it. Here is the box, pull tab, and inside we have the dust bag and the item. There we go. Here is the dust bag, and I open it to reveal this coin purse. Look at it, guys. It is beautiful. The motif is a couple of bears on skis with Louis Vuitton backpacks. Let me bring it closer so you guys can see it. And some mountains in the background and some blue stars, or this is snow, in the design of Louis Vuitton flowers. It is printed on the monogram. The difference is, so both of them, these are monogram, as you can see. The difference here is that this one has a vachetta trim and this one has a leather trim, which is probably also vachetta, but it's pink colored to mount the mountain in this fuchsia color. I don't know how to say that. I apologize for the butchering the color, man. Fuchsia, I guess. So you can see inside is the same bright red, this color, this fuchsia color. The hardware is golden as on the traditional coin purse. Size is the same. There's nothing else different in the side. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. So it's a made in France piece. Close it. This is how it looks. I think it's absolutely beautiful. There, a close-up of the item. This is brand new, unused, so I still yet to crack this one out. And to be honest with you guys, I might babysit this one a bit longer, because I do have this one, which I love and use. As you can see, I have my coins in it. So this one, I guess I'll babysit for a bit longer and I'll put it to use at a later time. I just don't want to get it rubbed off very quickly, because if you will use this, probably this silk screen printing will go off at one point of its lifetime. So at the moment, I'd rather just keep it as it is. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Whoever has picked one of these up, congrats. I think they're really, really beautiful. This year's design was really beautiful. It's really attractive to me. There. I have very limited light already because it's getting dark very quickly, but I still think you get quite a good look of it. And in comparison, as I said, size-wise, everything else is exactly the same as to the classical coin purse. There is no difference. The only difference is the print on the monogram, which is with the bears and the mountains and the stars representing Louis Vuitton flowers, more like, in this case, maybe looking like snow falling. There ain't much more to this piece, but I just wanted to show it off to you guys because I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's a work of art, and it goes back into his little dust bag and into his storage place. There it is. There. I absolutely love, to being able to get this piece because I think it's absolutely beautiful. If you picked up something from this year's Christmas collection, I congratulate you. This is unfortunately my only piece because I wasn't be able, due to the reasons that you guys probably already know, to be more active on the Louis Vuitton scene in the store and with my essay. Plus I have changed the essays quite recently, so had to build a new relationship and so on, and you guys know how that works. There. That's it. Thank you again for watching the video. I do appreciate it. Hit the like button and subscribe if you're here for the first time. I do have a bunch of other content on my channel that you can watch, and that's it. I wish you a great day and a great weekend. Bye for now, guys.